In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a 3-pound package of bees into your bottle hive. But first, I have to address a question. Where's the bees? My delivery of bees has been delayed twice now for a total of 3 weeks due to bad weather in California. So hopefully we'll have the bees to show in a video next week. Alright, here are your basic tools for getting the bees out of the bee package and into the hive. You need a cardboard box that's bigger than the package for the bees. If your box has holes in it, or you want to keep an eye on what's going in the box, cut a hole and then you can just hot glue some screen over the hole. In addition, you're also going to want your dollar sippy cup from Walmart, which will then be mounted on a hole cut in the top of the box like so. Here I've cut a box to be the dimensions of a bee package, 16 inches by 6 inches by 8 inches, with a 4-inch diameter opening where the bees will come out. As you can see, this box will easily fit inside that particular box with a little room to spare, and the room where you need it to spare is going to be where that bee opening is. For next week's video with the live bees, I've bought a transparent container, particularly oversized, so that we'll be able to film through the container and see what's going on with the bees inside. I would not have been able to do that very well with a cardboard box. So if you look at this container, you can see that our package, our bee package, will fit in there very nicely. The bee package, when I put it in there, is going to have the little cover that comes with the bee package over the hole. Then we put the lid on the container, make sure it's secured. You could even tape it if you wanted. And then we're just going to give this a good dump, and that lid will come off and release the bees inside the container. Shortly after doing that, we set the bottle hive on top by removing the lid, tap down any bees if we need to, remove the lid and set the bottle over the hole. And that's how it's done. I don't make a penny from YouTube for making these videos. If you would like to support this channel and see more of these videos, consider buying my award-winning novel.
After being shot, Griffin Hunter, a by-the-book detective, must investigate the corrupt underbelly of the Houston Police Department to save his own life. Will Griff have to become like one of them to survive? Now on Amazon.